This is Alex Weckman for drillingcontractor.org. I'm here with Lars Raunholt, CEO of Canrig Robotics. Mr. Raunholt gave a presentation on rig automation and robotics at the International Association of Drilling Contractors Advanced Rig Technology Conference here in Austin. Thank you for taking the time to speak with us, Mr. Raunholt.
Thank you, and thanks for letting me be here.
With robotics, it seems that it's a little bit difficult to get robots on the rigs. Do you have any idea why that might be?
I think traditionally our industry has been very conservative in taking on new technology, and also, when we are talking especially offshore, there's a big risk involved in it. So it takes a lot of testing and de-risking and so on before you can take it on board. But I think the last couple of years we've seen a big interest, and there's a lot of technology out there. So I think it's definitely coming now.
With offshore particularly, you mentioned there's about 5 people on a rig, and that you have a concrete goal of getting 2 of those people off the rig and replacing them with robots. What do you think that the savings and safety increases by removing 2 people from a rig might be?
I think, as you mentioned, our ultimate goal is to cut down, of course, on the people on the rig, and maybe then they can have new jobs onshore in other positions. But I think that, in the North Sea, it costs $10 million to have one position covered offshore. So I think there's a lot of money to save on that. But when that is said, I think that the big saving is going to be the efficiency that we're going to achieve from having the robots on board. So basically, we're going to drill more wells, and that's where we are going to earn the money here.
What have you seen as an efficiency increase by using robots versus humans?
Yeah, in my presentation I showed some examples where we can see that the robots, they can do some work tasks like 4 times faster than the humans can do. But basically, as an average, our goal is to do the job double as fast as it's done today by traditional equipment.
One of the things that's been talked about within the industry is the great crew change, or the crew change. How do you think the robots and in particular and rig automation in general can address this great crew change that's been talked about for the last few years?
I think maybe there are 2 contributions here. One is that we need less people, and I think it's easier to standardize operations with the robots. But the other thing is that we need to attract new young talent to our industry, and then I think that introducing the robots must be a fantastic way of attracting these people.
Well, Mr. Raunholt, thank you for taking the time to speak with us, and thank you for visiting drillingcontractor.org.